Hi guys, I am Bilal Moin and today I'm going to tell you about coronavirus. Coronavirus is spreading very rapidly all over China and one case has been registered in US too. There are 3 flights from Wuhan to UK as well as US every week. So UK and US are taking all the measures as best what they can do to prevent this as well as in China, they have cut off this Wuhan city from the rest of China. They are not letting anyone go inside this Wuhan or let anyone go outside this Wuhan. And news agencies are making it so big just for the sake of rating. If the news will go out, of course, they will make too much money out of it because of TRPs and all these things. So what we who are sitting in Middle East and MENA region, especially and in Europe too, we need to take care because we do have interaction. Previously, they were thinking that corona is only getting through the wild animals or the sea animals, sea species only. But now it has been confirmed by the authorities that it's getting human to human. So there are chances that we have somebody here also who came from this affected city or affected country, and they are also penetrating this virus in these countries too, the Middle East region countries too. So you don't need to get panic first of all, because I have been through these things that the people who are working specifically in Wuhan city, they are worried about their life as well as their loved one who are out of Wuhan city. They are also worried about their loved one lives, that what will happen with them. This all happening because the news is everywhere that corona. So far there are only 500 cases has been registered. Out of 500, what news is coming that most of them who are already a patient of, some are heart patients, some are cancerous, some are like they are not vulnerable, they can't tolerate, their immune system is not so good to tolerate this virus. Only those are getting this at initial stage, but there are something going on. So what so far as per till to time news is that this virus is from the MERS family and part of Ebola too is involved in this. So there is no medicine, no cure so far, but we can do our safety precautions to avoid it. So the symptom of this virus is that there will be cough, fever as well as respiratory problem. You'll have some problem while you are taking your breath. So once you are facing this, please do consult with your doctor. Don't get panic. This all things will settle down inshallah very soon. We hope for all the best and we wish Chinese guys also they get out of this tragedy very soon. Thank you so much.